नाम है कश्यप शर्मा और आप मेरे साथ हैं हिस्ट्री फॉक्स चैनल पे। आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक, दैट इज द देव डायनेस्टी ऑफ जम्मू. It is supposed to be the most prominent dynasty of Jammu. Here we discuss three important rulers, although there were so many rulers of Dev dynasty, but we focused on that is Surajmal, Maldev and Ranjit Dev. Ranjit Dev को हम अलग से discuss करेंगे because there is already it is a very very big video, so I just want to make a very short video. So Ranjit Dev हम next class में discuss करेंगे. Okay, so let us discuss what is the introduction. So there is a no prominent historical source to study the Dev dynasty. No prominent source except that is Vansavalis. Vansavalis is the only source. And later on Rajdarshini, which was written by that was Ganesh Das Badera, which was actually based on Vansavali, and plus some other Persian sources like that is autobiography of that is Temur. Okay, the founder of Dev dynasty was Surajmal, who replaced Bajradhar around 849 or 50 May. Okay, so the Surajmal was the founder of Dev dynasty. Okay, so during this time period, new changes were also taking place in the northern India. So, अगर हम बात करें in the 19th century, what about the condition of India? So, in during the 19th century, there was a rise of Muslim empire or Islamic state in the West Asia. During the 9th century, the northern India was a fragmented polity. There was different kinds of different small kingdoms, like there is Pratiharas were there, Rashtrakutas were there, Palas were there, and there are so many small kingdoms. In the northwest frontier, there is at Kabul, there was Hindu Shahi kingdom was there. Okay, anyhow. So during this time period, new changes were taking place in the northern India. New changes were taking place in northern India, like rise of Muslim powers in northwest part of Indian subcontinent. Similarly, there are some tribes like Khokhars and Gurjaras were also creating problems in the hilly states or hills between Jhelum and Satluj river. So Khokhars जो हैं, they are very very important tribe. ये हम इसको बीच में डिटेल में भी डिस्कस करेंगे. Okay, so this dynasty, that was the Dev dynasty, remained under the shadow of other parts for most of the time, but still managed to survive up to 1816, when the last ruler of the branch was deposed by Ranjit Singh and the Jammu kingdom was annexed by the Sikh kingdom at Lahore. Okay, so Dev dynasty हम discuss करेंगे. Okay, सो इट इज अ क्रोनोलॉजी. ये हमने पहले भी डिस्कस की थी क्रोनोलॉजी. सो क्रोनोलॉजी में दैट इज सूरजमल इज इम्पोर्टेंट. देयर आर सो मेनी रूलर इज देयर. देन देयर इज अ मलदेव इज इम्पोर्टेंट. देन देयर इज अ रंजीत देव इज इम्पोर्टेंट. एंड लेटर ऑन जो है फिर से जो है गुलाब सिंह केम इनटू पावर इन 1846 जो है उसमें आता है. ओके, सो लेट अस स्टार्ट विद सो वन मोर इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग, जितने भी यहाँ पे फोटोग्राफ्स यूज किए गए हैं दे आर फॉर योर बेटर अंडरस्टैंडिंग. ये वो लोग नहीं हैं. We don't have any pictographs or you can say that pictures of these rulers. Okay, for better understanding जो है मैंने ऐसे ही चिपका दिए हैं. Okay, so ये ना हो कि बाद में आप बोलो कि नहीं भाई ये तो नहीं था. Okay, so I am the founder of the Dev dynasty. Mind it. Okay, so this man is that is Surajmal. Hi, I am the founder of Dev dynasty. Okay, it was very difficult. There were chaos. The seat of power was Baner, Babapura or Ballor. बड्डू बल्लौर का नाम सुना होगा बिलावर वाली साइड. So initially the power of Jammu state was at Ballor area, okay, or Babapura area. Okay, Surajmal was an able administrator and he was an efficient ruler. He divided his empire into 7 departments corresponding to 7 days of the week, under each under वकील. हर एक डिपार्टमेंट का हेड जो है वो वकील होता था. से सपोज फॉर एग्जांपल राजा मेहता और मेहता दियोती, ही वाज अ मिनिस्टर ऑफ रॉयल हाउस होल्ड. मेहता राज मेहत्री और वकील रियाया वाज अ पब्लिक वेलफेयर. मेहता दालपति वाज कमांडर इन चीफ. ओके, सो मेहता धर्म राय वाज एक्लेस्टिकल अफेयर्स. द टाइटल ऑफ मेहता कंटिन्यूड आफ्टर लॉन्ग टाइम. तो आज के टाइट में भी जो है मेहता जो है इट वाज वेरी वेरी कॉमन टाइटल. ओके, सो सूरजमल जो है, सूरजमल वाज अ वेसल एंड फ्रेंड ऑफ हिंदू शाही किंगडम. हिंदू शाही किंगडम जो है कहाँ पे थी? काबुल में थी. एंड डाइड फाइल फाइटिंग अगेंस्ट द मुस्लिम इन्वेडर. हिज वाइफ नीला रानी परफॉर्म्ड सती. सो दिस वाज सूरजमल. सूरजमल वाज वेरी लॉयल फ्रेंड ऑफ हिंदू शाही किंगडम. हिंदू शाही किंगडम का मेंशन आता है जब हम महमूद ऑफ गजनी की इन्वेजन जो है वो हम डिस्कस करते हैं. ओके, सो जयपाल आनंदपाल ये आपने पढ़ा होगा. They had their seat of power at Kabul. Okay, so this was another man, very very handsome man. 70 years he was got killed fighting against the father of Mahmud of Ghazni. Okay, so who was the father of Mahmud of Ghazni? He was Subukhtjin. So okay, so Bojdev जो है, he was closely associated again the Shahi Hindu Shahi rulers of Kabul in their fight against the Muslim invader. Muslim invader यहाँ पे जो है, that was Mahmud of Ghazni. Okay, and his father, that is Subukhtjin. Okay, Subukhtjin was his father, and the founder of Ghazni Empire was Alptjin. Okay, Alptjin, he was a convertee. Okay, so anyhow, he was contemporary of Subukhtjin, that was the father of Mahmud of Ghazni, that was your Bojdev. He led an invasion and attacked Chamba, that is Himachal Pradesh, but the expedition was ended in a failure. Okay, he died while fighting with Jaipal against the Subukhtjin. Okay, Subukhtjin जो है, he was the father of Mahmud of Ghazni, उसके खिलाफ मारा गया. He was succeeded by his son Karan Dev. The fourth descendant of Karan Dev was Manak Dev, who established a new principality, that was Mankot. और उसके बाद जो है, there was one more branch of Rajputs came into being, that were known as Mankotia. तो आज की डेट में जो है मनकोटिया जो है, that is important clan of Rajput. They came from Karan Dev, and Karan Dev was a son of Bojdev. Okay, so that was another ruler of this dynasty, that was Avatar Dev. Avatar Dev का rule जो है 982 से 1020. Hi friends, I'm Avatar Dev. Who too supported Hindu Shahi kingdom, because it is written at somewhere that because they supported Hindu Shahi kingdom as a matter of their duty, religious duty. Okay, they were having the same religion. But different historians have their own opinion. Okay, he sent his brother, that is Prahlad, to support Jaipal against Mahmud, but both were killed. Okay, so Mahmud of Ghazni, jo hai, he was a seasonal commander. He was a God-gifted general. Okay, he created terror, he created chaos, he unleashed atrocities, he looted so many temples, he destroyed so many temples. Okay, probably offended with his hostile activities of Raja of Jammu, Mahmud entrusted Shivalik territory to the Khokhars who ravaged Jammu area. So what he did, Khokhars or Ghakkars जो हैं, the area of northwest frontier or some part of Jammu was given to that area because the Mahmud was not happy with the activities of Dev dynasty. However, with the support of other hilly chieftains like rise of Kangra, Mangarh, Chamba, Basoli, Kishtwar, they put a great resistance against the Khokhar invasion. Okay, so there were series of small rulers, that is that is your Jasdev. So Jasdev जो है, he was a founder of Jasrota town. He gave a new town to his brother Karan Dev, who descendant were known as Jasrotia. Okay, then Sangram, then he was a just ruler. After the end of Shahi Hindu Shahi kingdom, Dogras, like many others, became independent. So Dogras Dev dynasty was not an independent; they were under the Hindu Shahi kingdom. Okay, and they became independent after during the time period of Sangram Singh. Okay, then there is another prominent ruler, that is Jaskar Dev or Chakradev. He faced problems of Khokas. Malik Khusro was the last ruler of Ghaznavid who established himself at Lahore. So, in order to deal with Khokars, because Khokars were, you can say that the chiefs, they were appointed by the Ghaznavis. So, Chakradev invited Mahmud Ghazni. Sorry, he invited Mahmud Ghori. So, invited Mahmud Ghori he invited Mahmud Ghori to invade. Okay, not invite Lahore. So, he shifted his loyalty to Gori in order to deal with the Khokar. So, who shifted the loyalty? Who supported Gori? That is Chakradev. According to scholars, the Chakradev, who was mentioned as the Bajradev in Rajatarangani, he was subject to the Raja of Kashmir. So, according to Rajatarangani, this Dev dynasty, they were under, you can say that, protection of Kashmiri rulers. And who were the Kashmiri rulers at that time? Who were the dynasty? That was Lohara dynasty. His wife, that is Parameshwari, ended her life into Ganges or Ganga river. The repentant Raja raised a temple known as Dakhi Parameshwari on the bank of river तभी आज की डेट में भी है. Okay, and there are stories because he had no son, he had no issue. So what he did, he went for second marriage, and he was accompanied both of his wife, and he went to Puri, Jagannath Puri temple, and where his first wife committed suicide. Okay, Then there was other small rulers like Bajdev, like Narsingh Dev, Arjun Dev, Jodhdev and Maldev. Maldev पे अभी डिस्कस करेंगे. Okay, so Bajdev की और क्या खास बात है? The title of Mia or Mia Ji was bestowed on the Dogra rulers by Muhammad Ghori. इसी टाइम पीरियड में मोहम्मद गौरी ने डोगरा से टाइटल दिया डोगरा रूलर्स को मियाँ, which means mediator or representative. It was soon adopted by the ruling clan as an honor और insignia of royalty. तो आज की डेट में भी जो है मियाँ जो है वो यूज किया जाता है जम्मू के एरिया में बोलते हैं राजा जी और मियाँ जी. ओके, सो बजदेव लाइक हिज फादर ही रिमेन लॉयल टू द गोरी एंड सपोर्टेड हिम पृथ्वी एंड सपोर्टेड अगेंस्ट पृथ्वीराज चौहान इन द बैटल ऑफ तरेन विद जयचंद. सो जम्मू के रूलर्स, देव डायनेस्टी के रूलर्स ने पृथ्वीराज चौहान के खिलाफ षड्यंत्र किया एंड दे सपोर्टेड मोहम्मद गौरी जयचंद का साथ दिया. ओके, सो दिस इज इंपॉर्टेंट, सो माइंड इट. So then Narsim Dev, Arjun Dev, Jodh Dev, no important contribution, and finally that is Maldev. मलदेव का जो टाइम पीरियड है 1361 से 1400, ही वॉज द मोस्ट प्रोमिनेंट रूलर ऑफ दिस डायनेस्टी, हीरो ऑफ सेवरल लीजेंड्स नहीं है, लीजेंडा नहीं है, लीजेंड्स एंड बैलर्ड्स. ओके, मलदेव इज वेरी वेरी पॉपुलर. So let us discuss Maldev. So this is Mr. Maldev. Again, picture has nothing to do with the Maldev. It is only for your better understanding. So look at this gentleman. Maldev बना दिया मैंने इसको. Okay, sorry bro. Sorry. Okay. So I am Maldev. I am supposed to be the greatest ruler of my dynasty. I have several achievements in my to my credits. Okay. He had shifted his capital to Jammu, so this is important. इसने जम्मू को capital shift किया. He faced many problems. Kokha tribes से बहुत सारी problems. I was a great. I was I was a great conqueror, thus expanded Jammu kingdom. According to some scholars, during Timur's invasion, he adopted Islam. ऐसा बोला जाता है, इस्लाम को accept किया, while other scholars refuted such claims. So let us do in detail. Okay. So let me put aside. Okay, so Maldev यहाँ से start करेंगे, clockwise चलेंगे. So he celebrated his Raj Tilak sitting on a big rock from the bed of river Tavi, and this rock afterwards served as a sacred place. तो यहाँ पे क्या हुआ, एक बहुत बड़ा पत्थर जो है तवी से लाया गया, उसको तराशा गया और उस पे मलदेव को बिठाया गया और उसका राज तिलक हुआ. और बाद में ये जो पत्थर जो है ये हिस्टोरिकल हो गया, इसी पत्थर पे अलग अलग रूलर्स का राज तिलक हुआ. हरि सिंह का भी राय तिलक इसी में हुआ, तो आज की डेट में भी इस पत्थर को मालदेव की मंडी बोलते हैं. सो जम्मू वंस अगेन बिकम द कैपिटल ऑफ डोगरा किंगडम. पहले कहाँ बना था, दैट वाज पहले बना था जो आपकी जो दूसरे स्कॉलर जब बोला जाता है जम्बू लोचन बाहुलोचन की स्टोरी है. ओके, द पुरानी मंडी नाउ एक्सटेंड एक्सेप्ट द हाउसिंग अमर क्षत्रिय राजपूत सभा आर सेड टू बीन इरेक्टेड बाय राज मलदेव, जो आज की डेट में क्षत्रिय राजपूत सभा है. Okay, a corner of this mansion houses a small shrine marking the spot where he sat. See, मतलब Maldev on the Gaddi. Gaddi means throne as a ruler of Jammu. Subsequently, other rulers received their Rai Tilak on the same place. Okay, so this rock is known as Kali Chani or Maldev की मंडी बोलते हैं. Okay, so then Maldev जो है, he was an ambitious ruler. He extended his kingdom. On all sides, he conquered territories on the east of River Beas. He ravaged and plundered the plains region many miles south of Sialkot. Maldev didn't enjoy good relation with the sultans Tughlaqs during the time period of Maldev. Maldev का जो time period जो है that was 1361 से लेके 1400 तक. तो यहाँ पे दिल्ली पे कौन रूल कर रहा था, दिल्ली वॉज अंडर तुगलक डायनेस्टी. ओके, so he never enjoyed good relation with Tughlaq. So he was arrested by a treachery of his own half brothers. Once there was a fight by the Delhi forces, but later reconciled by the Tughlaq rulers of Delhi. The Sultan of Delhi acknowledged him as the ruler of Jammu. कहते हैं कि सुल्तान ने खुश होकर इसको रूलर बना दिया जम्मू का. ओके, where is let me put myself aside. Okay, so Malde political ambitious जो है, he was politically very ambitious. Wait. Okay, now what he did, he's political ambitious and chaos caused by Turks and tribal invasions dragged Jammu into a big long struggle with the hostile forces entrenched all around. The plains of Punjab and low hills of Jammu Kangra region had become a cockpit of continuous struggle between invaders, freebooters, plunderers, empire builders of Delhi and their representatives in Dipalpur and Lahore. So Jammu jo hai, it become very vulnerable now. He faced biggest threat from Khokar tribes who were scattered along the foothills of Jhelum to Ravi and also in western Punjab, presently in Punjab, western area. They also killed Muhammad Ghori, created troubles for Sultan Aibak and assassinated Razia Sultan. The Khokars जो हैं, they were a big problem. Okay. The Khokars leader, Khokhar Rai, revolted against the Raja of Jammu. The most prominent leader of Khokhar Rai was Sarpal, who was contemporary of Raja Maldev. Another leader of Khokhar, that is Malik Shaika, also revolted against the Maldev. So Khokhar problem जो है, it remained a big threat for them. Okay. Then there is the equation. You can say that between Temur and Maldev की और तिमूर की क्या equation थी? सबसे पहले जो है तैमूर जो है मैं आपको बता दूं, very very important. तैमूर invaded in 1398. He created atrocities or chaos in Delhi. After plundering Delhi, after storming Meerut and Hardwar, he carried the holy war against the Hindu of Shivalik region. He attacked the forces of Raja of Nagarkot. Nagarkot कहाँ पे है? Kangra, Himachal Pradesh. He reached Jammu territory by Shahpur Kandi on the bank of river Ravi and marched along Karwan route from Basoli to Mansar. तो इस एरिया में आए. He ordered his soldier to attack and plunder the villages and towns of Jammu. The Rajas were treacherously seized and brought before Timur. It is said that Maldev was converted into Islam because conversion at that time was very, very common. According to Ganesh Das Badera, Timur invited Maldev to submission and conversion to Islam, but Raja proudly refused and made sudden attack on Timur forces and took shelter in the fortress. बस इस कहानी में जो है बड़ा ही ज़्यादा जमेल है. So what actually happened, nobody knows. Okay, so thus the reign of Maldev is considered to be glorious chapter in the history of, you can say that in the history of Jammu. He was a hero of many folk tales and ballads. Okay, he was succeeded by Hamid Deva. And the most important जो है वो जो सबसे important चीज ये है, that is Mulfasat Temuri is an autobiographical sketch of Temur जिसमें बोला गया he was converted into Islam, and the Rajdarshini which was written by Ganesh Das Badera during the time period of Gulab Singh. He said Maldev didn't, you can say that, converted into Islam. He refused and he attacked Temur. Okay, so this is all about, you can say that Maldev के बारे में इतना ही है. So again, this is the chronology of the Jammu rulers, that is Surajdev, Bojdev, Avtar Singh, that is Avtar Dev, Jasdev. So these leaders are, you can say that these rulers are not so important, but you have to remember that is few of them like Maldev, that is important, that is Surajdev, that is important. Then of course Ranjit Dev jo hai, we will discuss in the next classes. So this is all about today's class. Thank you so much. Please like, subscribe and share it. Okay, thank you. Jai Hind and take care.